Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making cornbread. The ingredients we're going to need today are Jiffy corn muffin mix, buttermilk, sour cream, sugar, salted butter, and also eggs. I have all my ingredients measured out. We're going to need 2 boxes of the Jiffy corn muffin mix, 3/4 cup of buttermilk, 1/2 cup of sugar, 3 large eggs, 1 stick of butter, and 1/4 cup of sour cream. In a large bowl, you want to add both boxes of your corn muffin mix. Next, you want to go ahead and take a whisk and you want to break down all the lumps as much as possible. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. So next we're just going to go ahead and add in our eggs, our buttermilk, our sugar, and also our sour cream. I'm going to have to get a spoon to get that out. Okay, so now all you want to do is take your whisk and we're just going to combine everything by hand. Once you're done, you can set your corn muffin mix to the side. Now you want to get a 10-inch cast iron skillet, and I'm going to put a 1/2 stick of my butter in, and I'm going to place it in the oven until it melts. Okay guys, once your butter has melted, you want to put your cornbread mixture straight into your skillet while it's hot. Now you want to place it into your oven for 30 minutes or until done. Okay guys, our cornbread is now done. Look how pretty that came out. So the other half of the stick of butter I melted, and all I'm going to do now is go ahead and brush the top of the cornbread with it. Okay guys, I just want to show you how fluffy this cornbread is. And it tastes delicious. I hope you guys really try this recipe. You'll be amazed at the flavor that it has. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.